All right, the last one is called Dscript. Again, this is another all-in-one audio video editing solution. So I think this would be similar to Riverside, but I think this one had has a little bit more functionality. I haven't let me check out the pricing again. Yeah, so it's roughly, for creators, it's $12 a month. For their pro version, it's $24 a month. And then the enterprise price isn't listed, but a lot of it is done on storage and how much video space you're using. So I think that's the main thing to think about. But there's kind of the product's broken up into 4 features. So there's like podcasting, where again you have a podcast editor for remote recording, collaborations. I think that's basically like the Riverside version. There's a transcription, which brings in the video piece that we were talking about, that you can automatically transcribe like what actually is being said in an episode, which is actually very compelling. So you could create an episode, have the audio, add the speaker notes. So it's kind of a summary of each episode. It gives you the ability to screen record, which, you know, I think Riverside does that pretty well. And then I think the one thing that this tool does, in addition, is there's some video editing as well. You can add titles, animation, music. So as Mustafa was just saying, that he has to kind of take the video, export it into a video editing software like, you know, Final Cut, make edits, and then upload. If you could skip that step of exporting it to another tool and just doing it all in, and then having a button that just says publish to YouTube, so you have that YouTube integration, that would be a dream scenario. So this is just another one to check out. I mean, I don't want to, you know, we've been using Riverside. I don't think we would switch just because of the pricing and it meets our needs currently. But this is kind of the other option that I've seen creators use, a little bit more robust features. Maybe if you've been creating content a little bit longer, this will meet more of your needs.
I have seen this before, because you can edit the audio by editing the text, because what it does, it transcribes everything that's said in the podcast. So you can delete bits of text and you'll edit the audio. So that's quite magical, actually. We should maybe try recording with this an episode and just compare. It'll be interesting to try out. Yeah, maybe we should try the free one. We'll try this sometime.
Yeah. I mean, that's pretty much, those are the ones that we wanted to talk about today. So just in summary, we had video, VEEDIO for auto captioning, generating subtitles. Conversion.ai writes copy for you using, you know, artificial intelligence called Jarvis. There's good sales emails. So if you're looking to, you know, get ad deals, sell your product or service, make better newsletters, they give you campaign templates for emails. Pixel Hunter, that's just the drop an image in, resize for all social. Grammarly, write better, copy, spell check, write more concisely, use Grammarly. And then there's the 2 last ones we talked about. Riverside, which is what we use for our podcast to record both audio and video. And then Descript, which is the one we just talked about, which does kind of audio, video, as well as transcribing. So a lot of good options here. If we missed anything, like Mustafa and I are, again, like kind of new to the game. So if there's other things that you use in your daily workflow, comment in on our YouTube video. So this will be on YouTube. So if you haven't done so, jump over to YouTube, hit the subscribe button, leave us a comment of your favorite tools. And then we'll try to give a follow-up in a couple of weeks on some of these and whether or not they were actually helpful. But that's our list. Anything else, Mustafa?
No, that sounds great.
All right, cool. All right, thanks everyone for tuning in. We'll catch you on the next one.
Take care.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of Design Huddle. The opinions expressed are solely our own and do not express the views or opinions of our employer.